Okay, so what are the 5 parts of an argument? The 5 parts, you have your claim, the point you want to prove, evidence, the facts that support your claim, your reason, so that's your logic that connects your evidence to your argument, your counterclaims, that is the opposite of your claim, the opposite viewpoints, and your conclusion, which is just a summary of your argument or the final judgment that you have reached with your argument. Next point is, does it matter what order you put claims, reasons, and evidence in when you write your argumentative essay? That is a big yes. In an argument, the order matters a lot. If you start giving evidence before you state your claim, people may not know what you're trying to prove. And if you state your reasons before you give evidence, people may think you're just making up claims without any facts or proof or evidence to support them. To make an effective argument, everything needs to be in the right order, with your claims first, supported by evidence and reasons. And then all leads up to your conclusion, which comes there at the end. A counterclaim supports the original claim. False, no. A counterclaim is the opposite viewpoint. So you can't win an argument by pretending that no one will disagree with you. Then you leave your argument open to readers pointing out obvious counterclaims. So you have to acknowledge those disagreements and refute them or prove them wrong. Simply include the opposing argument, the counterclaim, in your text helps to show that you've seen the other side and why that's not actually a good argument. Is it okay to introduce evidence without offering reasons why it connects to the original claim? Also false, no, it's not okay to do that. You don't have a strong argument if you don't support your claims. And to do that, you have to write clear reasons, and then you support those reasons with relevant evidence. So including facts that support your claim, and don't include information that isn't connected to your argument. Okay, so usually there's transition words that give you an idea of when the conclusion is happening. Not only is it the last paragraph, but they use transition words to help you. Some of those words could be as a result, hence, finally, in conclusion, and last. Again, your conclusion is just going to wrap up, restate your claim or argument, and summarize the most important points, facts, evidence that you want to make sure that you get across to the readers to convince them that your argument is a good argument. For today, I'm going to give you couple of pieces of text that you're going to organize and put in the right order. If they were in an argumentative essay, just putting numbers out to the sides, numbering them 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on if they're the first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, fourth sentence. And then you have a really short quiz that, if you watch this video, should be very easy. Have a great day.